It's your girl Jhordyn.
Off the Remy, had a back loose. Had to hit my old town to check the news. 2-4-hour lockdown, we made no moves. Now it's going in. And I'm back up popping with it.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jhordyn. As y'all can tell by the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a review and unboxing of the Pine Green 3s. So I was actually able to cop mine off of champs.com. Champs had them available hours after they dropped on sneakers, and I was thoroughly surprised, but pleasantly surprised, because who's trying to pay over retail? I guess I mentioned that to remind y'all, don't give up complete hope on Champs, Foot Locker, Foot Action, Chic Shoes, all the sites that have actual legit stores in person. Don't give up on it. Sometimes you will come up, okay? We're gonna take a lot of L's, but we're gonna take some dubs in between too. So just keep a positive mentality. Other than that, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you change that. We do sneaker content over here. I take lots of fly pictures on Instagram, so make sure you follow me over there for lots of outfit inspiration. The entire realm of content is on all of my social media platforms, so make sure you follow me on all of them. They'll be linked in the description box down below, and they are also posted in the intro of this video. I've already done enough rambling, so let's just get straight into the video. Alright, so by the angle of the camera, we have the box here. The thing that I like about ordering from Champs and Foot Locker and actual shoe stores, aside from Nike and Sneakers app, they don't put no revealing tape on the boxes. So I have demoted myself to these safety scissors because the last couple of times I've done an unboxing on this channel, I almost sliced my hand open with my knife. So we're just not gonna do that today. I'm not a good unboxer. I don't know why I keep doing unboxing videos as if I'm good at taking these shoes out the box, because I'm not. Anyways, as I was saying before I started to struggle with this box, let me know what you guys thought about the Pine Green 3s on your first impression. I automatically like the shoe because where I work at, the school that I work for, that's a perfect color for the shoe. My sneaker rotation on like spirit days and days where you're supposed to come decked out in school gear is literally my closing ceremony 11s and my Pine Green 1s, and I kill those. I love that shoe and I'm not trying to beat it into the ground, so I needed to get me another shoe. Champs really put this shoe in this little tight box. Pause. Any freaking way, now that I'm done struggling. A lot of people weren't really into this shoe at first for the simple fact that it's not leather, it's actually suede. That's one of the first things that I'm gonna be looking for in my first impression. Okay, it's already a little stuff on my shoe, but whatever. Dang, Nike's quality is just all over the place, dog. Look at this. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but you see all this? Right by the laces, or the lace hole, that's literally glue just around it. There's glue on the actual shoe. First impressions. All right, now that I'm done being the queen of nitpicking, I'll give this shoe a fair grade. Minus the glue being all over the place, the stitching being not perfectly cut, and the paint. Oh, the paint, baby. Now, every shoe review that I have on this channel so far is nice and positive because the quality was all right. I still nitpick, but like, there's just a lot going on with this shoe and I don't like that. Bro, I know y'all see this. You probably hear it too. Straight out the box looking like this. Y'all need the close-ups. Forget me not being petty. Y'all need the close-ups. And this is what I'm talking about with the stitching being uneven. This is common on all the sneakers nowadays, but like, bro, it's just excessive. It's giving very much excessive at this point. I don't know if y'all can even see this, bro. Oh, look. More glue. Okay. Let me stop being petty. Every time I sit my back on this bench, I see something different on this shit. The quality is not giving what needed to be gave. I need for y'all to let me know in the comments right now whether I'm doing too much with the nitpicking or whether this is really just Nike's quality control completely going to shit. That's one thing that you'll learn about me and my personality though. On this channel and in real life, I'm not gonna bull, okay? If some shit is off, you gonna know that some shit is off. I'm not gonna come on camera and just say, oh, this is fire, just because it's a Jhordyn. I've been doing this, okay? I've been about these shoes and I've been watching the quality decrease since I got in the game. Now that I have basically seen all of the small but bothersome inconsistencies in this shoe, I've only looked at the left shoe so far, by the way. I haven't even taken the right shoe out the box. I guess I'll give you guys my other first impressions as far as the look of the shoe and not nitpick on the quality and the fact that there's so many inconsistencies. That was a genuine, honest reaction. I was super excited about this shoe, but I'm not even gonna cap, this is probably the lowest quality that I've gotten in a long time. And this came from Champs. Champs be getting the shoes straight from the source. It's not like I bought it off of Flight Club or GOAT or StockX where can get dicey sometimes. I got it straight from Champs. Well, that just set the tone for my entire review. If you're still with me, shout out to you for listening to my rant. Let's talk about how the shoe feels. So this suede is very packed, meaning that it's not like a loose suede. It's not a super soft suede. It's a nice suede, but it's not like University Blue 4 suede. That suede is like really soft and really buttery, and it kind of moves with the shoe. Like I said, this is a packed suede. It's very soft and it's very nice, but it's packed in there and it's not moving with the stroke of your finger. Looking at the sole of this shoe, it all looks okay. There is, again, some imperfections that are triggering me a bit. I'm looking at the Jhordyn on the sole of the shoe and paint is a little bit off. So I'm pulling the right shoe out the box. I didn't think it was gonna be that much worse, but it got kind of worse. I don't know if the camera is really about to do it justice, but there's glue all across that. At this point, I'm gonna go get one of my other threes that I've had for a while, and we're gonna do a quality control check. Okay, so we're back. Maybe I'm really going too hard on this shoe, but I had to pull out some of my other stuff just so I can compare, okay? So here we have my powder blue threes. I've had these shoes since I was in high school, and yes, they are a little bit beat and dirty, but automatically, I don't see the same imperfections. Ain't no glue going across this chunk of the sole. Ain't no error on the paint on the Jhordyn on the bottom of the shoe. Ain't no random glue in random places all over the shoe. So this is an older shoe. I've had this shoe for years. Let's look at the cool gray threes that dropped a few months ago, actually. So I've only worn these like one time, right? Again, no glue going across this part of the sole. There's not a lot of imperfections with the stitching on the shoe. I'm not seeing glue in random places. That one has a little error in it, but I've worn them once, so I'm gonna cut them some slack. This powder blue three that I've had for literally probably 6 or 7 years at this point, it ain't in bad shape. It's a little dirty, but it's not in bad shape. Sorry, y'all. That's not what we're here for, but I really just had to compare some of my other threes to this pair, because this is like literally the lowest quality shoe that I've received in a very long time. Overall, it's still a nice shoe. I'm obviously still gonna wear the shoe. I'm just nitpicking at the quality because we spend all this money as consumers and Nike continues to just kind of bullshit their way through it. That's kind of just the vibes that we're on in 2021 with the sneaker industry. I don't know what's really good, but I guess this is just what we're working with now. Because a few months ago, it wasn't even this bad, but maybe they just really rushed on this shoe. I don't know. Like I said, I am a fan of the colorway. I am a fan of how the suede on the shoe feels. People were very concerned about it, but if you live in a place like I do, I currently live in Seattle, Washington, where it rains. It's currently dumping outside. If you live in a wet state like Washington, you just need a good waterproofer and sneaker protectant and you'll be okay. And I have a video on my channel about how I actually prep my shoes for my new sneakers and go about protecting them and making sure that they're safe to wear. But these are the pine green threes. I do genuinely enjoy this colorway. That's about all I can say, bro. The quality of these shoes have definitely disappointed me, but I'm still gonna wear them at the end of the day. Some of the glue is removable. Some of it is probably gonna have to be like legit scraped off. It is what it is. I don't have time to be nitpicking like that. I just wanted to acknowledge it because this is a genuine and honest review. And I don't usually go that hard hard on the details of the shoes in any of my reviews, but these like kind of punched me in my face and made it hard to not acknowledge. You feel me? It's a nice shoe. It's still a nice shoe. It's a great colorway. It's good quality on the suede. Just get you some waterproofer and some sneaker protectant and you will be fine if you live in a wet state. Be selective about the days that you wear them and let that be that. Now that that's all said and done though, I'm just going to give you guys a closer look at this shoe off my foot, and then I'll probably throw it on my foot, give you guys an on foot look, and wrap this video up because I've already been rambling for too long. Let's get it. Alright you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it very helpful. Make sure that you drop a comment down below with your thoughts and opinions about the shoe, about the quality, about whether your girl was doing too much with the nitpicking. Aside from that, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, make sure that you're showing love, do all of that. Your girl is on the road to 1K and I'm trying to get this channel monetized. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram and you tap into that page because I'm very active on there. I'm very responsive, and also I be posting drip, okay? Your girl is a big dress a fly stepper. Also drop a comment for what kind of content you want to see next. All right, I'm out of here. Bye.